Hello friends, welcome to Educal. In this tutorial, we will learn how to print Hello World in Android Studio. Let's start. Open new project, select empty activity and give the name of application. Uh, First tab, finish it. Now it will take some time to loading project. After it, we will print Hello World. In this video series, we will learn from zero to high level programming in Android Studio. So now project is ready. There is a XML file inside the activity. Tap on split button, and you can print hello world by XML file. That is by default here is hello world, and just run it on emulator. And you can print it by programmatically. So we will try both of it. First we will look at how it print by XML, and after that we will print programmatically in text view. Okay, now running app is running. Here is a and hello world. Now we don't need to set text as a static. Now we give the ID of the text view. ID text. Okay, and here we need to define text view. So that instance of text view private private text view text view text. Okay, and now initialize the text view with the id find by id find by id r dot id dot uh, text. Okay, I just forget something text. Okay, copy it and paste it. Text. Okay, okay, and set text text view dot set text as hello world. Hello world, and run it again. It will finish and it will take some time. Okay, now app install on my emulator. Yeah, you can see here is a hello world. Thanks for watching and keep learning. Subscribe the YouTube channel for new video. Okay, thank you.